Hey guys, it's Shilpa here and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about turning myself from potato to fries. So this will gonna be a full face of makeup which I haven't done on my channel yet, and I will also gonna apply falsies which actually depends. अगर मुझसे 10 या 15 मिनट में लग गए तो well and good. So starting with the first thing, I'm gonna use this moisturizer. It's from Simple, and it's really important to moisturize and prep your skin first before applying any kind of makeup. It's a gel based kind of moisturizer, so it's really great for oily combination skin. I will gonna wait for 1 minute so that this moisturizer can sink in into my skin. So for the next step, I am doing color correction, and I don't have any color corrector with me. So I'm using this MAC lipstick which is in the shade Lady Danger. It's a orange kind of shade. So I'm gonna just take some on my ring finger, like this much, and I'm gonna do like this so that जो भी excess होगा वो मेरे thumb पे आ जाए. And also around corners of my lips. And for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I have two shades with me, 310 and 332. I'm gonna mix both the shades and just dot it all over my face. I'm not using over here because I will be using a concealer, so that's why I don't want foundation, concealer and then setting powder. Never ever forget your neck, because otherwise your face will gonna be of different shade than your neck. So yeah, now I'm gonna blend everything in with the help of this beauty blender. This is from Shein and it's really soft and squishy. To be very honest, I'm not a very big fan of beauty blenders because beauty blenders soak like a lot of product. So I really like to use brush then beauty blender. But yeah, sometimes I really like beauty blender as well because of the finish. It gives like a skin-like finish. Now for the concealer, I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I have applied around my inner corner and then outer V of the eye. This is the technique which is currently trending on Instagram. You can see the difference between both my eye, and the lipstick has done wonderful job. So in case you have pigmented eyes and if you have pigmentation around corners of your lips, then you can use a orange lipstick. The next step is highlighting, and for highlighting I'm using Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer and it's in the shade 06. By the way, the shade names and numbers, everything will be in the description box. So what will this highlighter gonna do? Highlighter will gonna pop this in. I'm gonna take this highlighter from here to all the way over here. So for the next step, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. So I'm gonna bake my under eye area so that the concealer won't cream. So the next step is filling my eyebrows, and for that I'm using this shade from this palette, this brown shade from this Lakme Illuminating palette. First I'm gonna just comb, then I'm gonna use this flat angled brush starting from like this area, and now I'm gonna use this fully and brush everything in. So done with the eyebrows, and now for the eyelid I'm gonna use this burgundy shade and just gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna take this clean fluffy brush and blend the edges. Be very light-handed with this. We don't have to सारा का सारा कलर हमने ब्रश पे उठाना नहीं है, सिर्फ ब्लेंड करना है. So I am just working on the edges. can see this one has really harsh line and this one is blended. So I'm gonna blend furthermore. So for the next step, I'm using this Nykaa Metallic Liquid Lipstick. It's in the shade Thank You Next. It's a beautiful pink color, like you can see. So I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid with the help of this applicator only, starting from center. And just dabbing it with the help of my finger. Also blending the edges with the help of my finger, because if I'll use brush, then brush will gonna pick everything. So the next step is contouring, and for that I'm using this palette. It's from Sugar and I'm gonna pick this shade. To be very honest with you guys, I'm not that much great fan of contouring. I just like this one because it just brings back warmth to your face. So for the blush, I'm using this shade. It's a very beautiful mauve shade. Now coming back to the eyes, again I'm gonna use this burgundy shade and smudge out my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go with the falsies, and for the falsies I'm using these Shein ones. So let's try. Guys, I'm gonna go off camera and try.
2,000 years.
So guys, I'm back with lashes on and I can totally see that it's not perfect, but being a beginner, I think it's good. So now I'm gonna apply this mascara. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational. So now the very important step, which is highlighting the inner corner. For that I am using this shade. I feel this step will just take any look to a whole another level, even if you are wearing a simple liner. Now to highlight my face, again I'm using this shade on this fan brush. I'm not gonna take a lot of amount. This much. Again I'm taking very less amount. So that's it for highlighting. I really don't want to go overboard. So the next thing is lipstick. For the lipstick I'm using this. This is Nykaa Mini Liquid Lipstick in the shade Boohoo. It's a beautiful mauve pink color. So that's the final look guys, and I really love the way how it turned out, and it's very simple, minimalistic and realistic. So yeah, anyone can carry off this look really well. I really hope you guys liked it too. Please let me know in the comment section below. For more of such videos, you know what you have to do. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Bye.